In the Academy of Interdisciplinary Research, students leverage the power of research to foster innovation in business, science, and global engagement. The Academy is adding a human resources pathway. In human resources, you will study business leadership, employee recruitment, training, and development. You'll learn about managing employees, employee benefits and compensation, and you'll learn about legal issues within the workplace. Your 10th grade year, you take Intro to Business. In this class, you will learn about economics, finance, marketing, accounting, management, and business law. Your 11th grade year, you will take Business Communications. You will learn about business technology, ethics, setting up meetings, advertising, business communication, and business writing. In your 12th grade year, you will take Human Resource Management. In this class, you will learn about employee benefits, business leadership, motivation, training, employee rights, and business law. Through Nashville State, you can earn college credit for a human resource class. You will also have the opportunity to earn an industry certification for Microsoft Office, including Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Some careers in human resource management include Human Resources Director, Training and Development Specialist, Payroll and Accounting Specialist, and an Employee Relations Manager. An associate's degree in human resource management, you will make about $54,000. With a bachelor's degree, you'll make about $100,000. And with a master's degree, you'll make about $107,000. Every business with employees needs human resource management. Careers in HR are growing, and this pathway will prepare you for success.